To check your transaction history on Facebook, follow these simple steps to access your financial activities on the platform. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Open Facebook app or website. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Access settings. On the app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the bottom right corner. On the website, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Find your Facebook information. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Information. Click on it to access various options related to your account data. Step 4. View Transaction History. Within the Your Facebook Information section, find and select Activity Log. Here, you can filter your activities. Look for the option labeled Transactions or Payments to view your transaction history. Step 5. Review Transactions. Once you access the Transaction section, you will see a list of all your transactions made through Facebook. You can click on each transaction for more details, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. Now you can easily keep track of your financial activities on Facebook. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the Help section or reach out to Facebook support.